Hi, my name is Kartiki Rajesh Shinde and I'm from Standard 9. So this is my project which is named as Automated Smart Robot. So basically I got the idea of making this robot from my grandfather who's actually paralyzed patient and from most of the people who actually use a walker. So basically this our automated walker will help all those people who really suffer in attempting to get the walker whenever it is way far from them. So for that purpose this walker will help them as you are navigating from your phone. So that I will go on demonstrating you our whole concept of a project. So here's our vision camera. So basically the vision camera does is it goes on live streaming so the person can navigate, and we have a very simple interface. We have four directions for navigating this whole walker. So it's like forward, backward, left and right. Basically we are using our phones because today everyone has a phone in their hand. So rather than we can say increasing the cost, we are decreasing the cost. Also we have is our echo sensor. So if there is any obstacle detected or there is someone between the path, it will just stand still. So there will be prevention of the collision. Also if there is night time and darkness, we have installed our LDR sensor. So at such point, if it detects there is no light, it will switch on the torch. This will help the person navigate. But also we know that people who are elderly, if they feel unconscious, they can just click on our panic button. So if they click on this, a message will be shared with the people who are in their contact that there is some emergency. So they can just run faster towards them. So here we have used our wheels basically. So wheels are like this mechanism is used. The mechanism name is actuator mechanism. It will uplift in manual mode and subside in navigation mode. So if it is in continuation, if the motors are in continuation, there is a consideration that the person might fall. And to prevent this risk, we have done this. And we have used actuator mechanism, and the parts are 3D printed actually. These parts are 3D printed, and also the filament uses PLA, so it is a degradable plastic. So our whole cost is 15,000 nearly, and the market price is 1.5 lakh, so it is 10 times lesser. So I personally think it creates a revolution in our healthcare sector. So this is how I can change the life of millions of people. So this is what my dream has come true today. Thank you.